Why is it so important to meditate? Why are so many people seeking meditation to calm their minds? Because meditation gives us the ability to close off the outside world, to shut down our senses, and to go within. And it's really as simple as listening to your breath. Before you begin your meditation, you want to give yourself the opportunity to be in an area where you're not going to be disturbed. So there's two ways to meditate in terms of posture. You could either sit on a mat with or without pillows. The main thing is you want to make sure that your knees are below your hips. Or you can sit on a chair so that your feet are planted firmly on the ground, flat on the ground. I like to prop up on a couple pillows so that I can ensure that I'm in the proper meditative position. Your ankles are in line with your center body. Or if you prefer, you can put one foot and tuck it between your calf and your thigh. And that just gives you the opportunity to have a straighter posture and a more relaxed posture, and therefore a more fulfilling experience. The next step is to reach down and pull up your butt cheeks. So you want to be able to do this to tilt your pelvis forward. Once you've done that, you want to contract your anal muscle. So you want to contract that slightly. It's not like you're really going full out. It's kind of like a half contraction. And then you're going to lift your navel point and pull it back towards your spine. And again, that's something that doesn't need to be forced. It's like kind of a half effort. Then you're going to lift your diaphragm up so that you feel your whole body straighten up, your shoulders will naturally roll to the back, your heart center will open, it will be more comfortable, and your chin will naturally just tuck back slightly. So now your back body is going to feel stronger. You're activating your back. You have a little bit of a curve. You're going to rest your hands, palms up, on your thighs, and then you're going to put your hands in Gyan Mudra, which just means you're bringing your thumb and your index finger together. It's great to start a meditation practice at 3 minutes, but if you can go anywhere between 3 and 7 minutes, that's even better. But what I like to do before I begin my meditation is I'll set my timer. I'll set it at either 3 minutes or 7 minutes. So for today, we will set it for 3 minutes and we'll meditate together. Now, when we're in the meditation, you're going to bring the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And you want to gaze at your third eye. With your eyes closed, you're going to just gently lift your eyes to the point between the eyebrows. Breathe in and out gently through your nose. And you're going to listen to your breath. And the main thing that you want to do is be aware of that mulband lock that we just learned how to do, that root lock. We're going to activate those while we're doing our meditation. And at the same time, we're going to have a nice straight posture so that we allow the solar plexus to open. That's the trust area, and our heart to open. Our heart is where the manifestation happens here. And our chin is tucked in so that throat, the neck area is relaxed, because the energy flow up through the throat is mostly where it can get congested for a lot of people. So we want to just relax that area so that we can allow the energy to move all the way up to the third eye and out the crown. So let's set the timer and we'll begin. Closing the eyes, maintaining the posture. Tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. Gazing at the third eye. Allowing the crown to reach up to the sky so you maintain a nice straight spine. Breathing in and out through the nose. Listening to the breath. Maintaining the gaze at the third eye. softening the front body. Allowing the breath to be nice and long and deep. Paying attention to the energy in your heart, opening up to the heart. Filling every cell with light. As our cells fill with light, we're remembering the root lock, engaging the anal muscle, the navel point of the spine, and the diaphragm lifted slightly. Really feeling the beautiful light and love through every cell. Golden light filling every cell. Take a deep breath in and apply the root lock. So what you're going to do is you're going to sustain the breath in and you're going to clench the anal muscles even more. The diaphragm's going to lift a little bit more. And you're going to exhale. And slowly open your eyes. And that was a 3-minute meditation. Didn't that go by fast? Next time we'll do a 7-minute meditation together. Meditation should happen in the morning and in the evening before you go to bed. But if you can only do it once a day, the morning is the best time. We want to be able to perfect our thoughts because our thoughts are what bring our experience. And meditation is going to help you to improve your life on many levels. So go in peace. Thank you for joining me. Please leave any comments below. Let me know what you'd like to do, what you need help with. If you need some healing sent your way, I'm happy to help. Bye for now.